In today's fast-evolving digital world, there's a tool that's catching the eye of many entrepreneurs and business owners. It's called Flux AI, and it has the potential to transform the way online businesses operate. Imagine having an assistant that helps you automate repetitive tasks, analyze massive amounts of data, and streamline your workflow, all while you focus on growing your business. That's what Flux AI does. It's an AI-driven automation platform designed to simplify complex processes and make business operations more efficient. Flux AI can be integrated into your existing systems, whether you're running an e-commerce store, a service-based business, or even a content creation platform. What's exciting is how it brings together the power of artificial intelligence and automation. This means that you can train it to understand your specific business needs, and it will help you automate everything from customer inquiries to order fulfillment, saving you both time and money. Let's break it down into practical uses. First, think about customer support. We all know how crucial it is to provide quick responses to customer queries. With Flux AI, you can set up chatbots powered by AI that not only answer frequently asked questions but also handle more complex interactions. And as time goes on, the AI learns and improves, giving your customers an even better experience. Now, what about data analysis? For many online businesses, understanding customer behavior, tracking sales trends, and managing inventory can be overwhelming. Flux AI steps in here by analyzing large datasets in real time, providing you with actionable insights. This means that instead of spending hours poring over spreadsheets, you get the information you need to make decisions instantly. If you're into marketing, Flux AI has some interesting tools as well. For example, you can automate email campaigns, personalize messages for each customer, and even use AI to predict which products or services will resonate most with your audience. All this, while maintaining a human touch, because AI doesn't have to feel robotic. With the right prompts and settings, it can engage customers just like a personal assistant. Another exciting feature is process automation. Let's say you're running an online store and have multiple tasks like order processing, payment confirmation, and shipping updates. Flux AI can automate all of these workflows, making sure each step happens smoothly without your constant supervision. Scaling your business becomes easier when you've got these systems in place. Instead of hiring more employees to handle routine tasks, you can lean on AI-powered automation to do the heavy lifting. This frees up resources to focus on bigger things like expanding your product line or entering new markets. What's even more compelling is that Flux AI is highly customizable. You don't need to be a tech expert to set it up, and the platform is designed to grow with your business. As your needs evolve, you can tweak the AI's functionality to handle more tasks, manage larger datasets, and provide even deeper insights. By now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but what's the catch? The truth is, while Flux AI can handle a lot of tasks, it's not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. You'll still need to monitor the AI's performance, make adjustments as necessary, and ensure it aligns with your business goals. But the beauty of AI is that the more you use it, the smarter it gets. In the end, Flux AI is like having a supercharged business assistant that works tirelessly in the background, handling the routine, the repetitive, and the data-driven, so you can focus on what matters most, growing your online business. The future of business automation is here, and it's called Flux AI.